Don't go to the airport until you watch this. New 2026 Airport Rules. Hey travelers, welcome back. If you're flying in 2026, stop packing the way you always have. Airlines and airports are cracking down hard on carry-ons, and thousands of people are getting hit with surprise gate fees or forced to check bags. Today I'm giving you the 10 most important baggage rules and changes you need to know right now so you don't get caught. Let's dive in. Rule 1. Size limits haven't changed, but enforcement has. The standard for most major U.S. airlines is still 22 x 14 x 9 inches, including wheels and handles. What changed in 2026 is strict measuring at the gate with sizers and sometimes automated scanners. Bags that used to slide by on the honor system are now getting flagged. Soft-sided bags that can compress still help, but hard-shell bags that stick out even half an inch will cost you. Rule Point 2. Measure including wheels and handles. Many luggage brands advertise carry-on size without counting the wheels or extended handle. In 2026, airlines count everything. Grab a tape measure and check your bag the same way the gate agents will. If it's even slightly over, leave it at home or check it in advance to avoid higher gate fees. Rule 3. Weight limits are actually being enforced. Many airlines list carry-on weight limits of roughly 17 to 22 pounds, 8 to 10 kilograms, especially on international and budget carriers. In the past, this was rarely checked. Now gate agents are using scales more often. Pack light or be ready to remove items on the spot. Rule 4. Personal item rules are tighter. Your personal item, purse, backpack, laptop bag, must still fit under the seat. Airlines are measuring these more carefully too. Oversized, personal items are being treated as second carry-ons and charged accordingly. Stick to something slim and soft-sided. Rule 5. Lithium batteries and power banks stay in carry-on. Power banks, spare lithium batteries, and devices with non-removable batteries must travel in the cabin, never in checked bags. Smart luggage with non-removable batteries above certain limits is banned unless the battery can be removed and carried separately. This rule is being enforced more strictly in 2026. Rule 6. The 3-1-1 liquids rule still applies, mostly. Containers of 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters, or less, all fitting in one clear quart-sized bag. At many airports with new CT scanners you may not have to remove the bag or your laptop, but the size limit itself has not been lifted nationwide. Always pack as if the old rule still applies. Rule 7. Gate check fees are higher and more common. If your bag doesn't fit the sizer, expect to pay a gate check fee that is often higher than checking it at the counter. Some airlines make you go all the way back to the ticket counter. Checking online or at the curb in advance is almost always cheaper and less stressful. Rule 8. Budget airlines are even stricter. Spirit, Frontier, and many low-cost international carriers have smaller free personal item sizes and charge for almost everything else. Their carry-on dimensions are often closer to 18 x 14 x 8 inches. Always check your specific airline and fare type before you pack. Rule 9. TSA screening changes affect what goes through. New CT scanners at many airports mean bags that don't physically fit through the smaller tunnels can be sent back. Also, Real ID has been required since 2025. Starting February 1, 2026, travelers without acceptable ID may face a $45 fee for alternative verification. Have proper ID ready. Rule 10. Always double-check your specific airline and airport. Rules vary by airline, fare class, aircraft type, regional jets are tighter, and even the airport. What works on Delta may not work on Ryanair or a codeshare flight. Check the airline app or website the day before you fly and measure your bag one more time. That's the reality of flying in 2026. The written rules didn't change much, but the enforcement did. Measure twice, pack light, keep batteries in the cabin, and you'll sail through. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with the airline you're flying next. Safe travels, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.